So this is it. That's the box it came in. So I think it weighs in around about 24 kilo, which is reasonably comfortable for me to lift in and out of the van, although I'm not hoping not to have to be able to, you know, transport it often, to be honest with you. As I said, it's got a Briggs and Stratton engine. I think it's 125cc petrol. It is self-propelled, so the starter bar is this one in front and the self-propelled drive is the one at the back. It's got a steel deck, which I think for my site is absolutely a necessity, because some of the mowers now have polypropylene decks, and because our site's so stony, if you get a stone, you know, caught up in the blade, which happens quite often, I'm pretty sure it would just smash through the deck. So a steel deck is definitely better. I'm not sure what the grass box size is, but I'm sure it would be adequate. It's only similar to the old mower I had, was a Mountfield SP 164, so I guess it's around about a similar size. Let's just take a look at it. So rather than a rigid plastic one, it's kind of mesh material, but it's easy enough. And if you can see, there's these two metal lugs each side, so when it just hooks on the top of the bar. That's it. Very easy to take on and off. I like the grip here, is sort of got a cushioning on it. It feels nice and sturdy, and it was pretty easy to put together, to be honest. So all you had to do was attach the lower part of the handle there's two bolts either side. Spanner is supplied, so you just put those in, and then the upper part of the handle is secured by these here, and so the bolt comes through from the inside. You put a washer on and spin the handle around, and then it just clamps shut. So that's a nice feature. And then also you get a little cable type thing here just to secure the throttle cable and the drive cable for the self-propel thing. It's pull cord start, as you can see, and obviously, you know, before you use it, I've put in 0.47 litres of SAE 30 oil, engine oil, and unleaded fuel, of course. So I'll give it a spin, and I'll put it on its highest setting because, you know, with the old mower going and that, the grass has got away on me a bit, so I'll put it on its highest setting, which actually I'll show you a bit closer of that. So this is the handle here for raising and lowering the cutting height, and it's got 5 settings. Like I said, I'm going to put it on the highest one. I really like this. It's far superior than the system on the Mountfield, which I didn't rate it at all. It was pretty poor actually. So I really like that tight adjuster. You know, it's a good solid handle. So there's a primer button on the left-hand side, so just 3 pumps of the primer, pulling this one here on the inside. Hopefully. There we go. So far so good, so now I'll drop it down a bit more. Oh, great. So what do I think? Well, I like it. It does what it says on the tin. It comes also with a 2-year warranty. You just need to be careful, you know, when you're buying it, you need to be aware of what the warranty covers and what it doesn't cover. So again, if you fail to pay attention to maintenance, like changing the engine oil, example, or forgetting to put engine oil in and cleaning underneath the deck and things like that, you're not going to be covered for it. But the company seem reputable, you know, they've got an online site and everything. There's a helpline number and everything like that, email support. It's next day delivery, so if you're in a bit of a hurry like me, that's a good feature as well. So yeah, I really like it. It does what it says on the tin. So that's the SGS self-propelled petrol 41cm lawnmower. Hope you like the review, and catch you later. Bye for now.